What's up, guys? AK with the CC Train. I hope you're staying safe home, working on your layouts, and I'm working on your guys' installations around the clock. And thank you for your patience. So I'm doing 100% quality. So this is Atlas HO, the model HH600 forward slash 660. If you please leave a comment why it's a little bit strange number to me. Anyway, so that just for fun, I put that Jordan spreader. They pretty much from the same era, like Jordan spreader, I believe from 1900 or something. So let's get started. You probably saw the video of my installation and tips, and also we're going to measure speed here. So I'm using Digitrax, my favorite throttle, UT6D, and let's start diesel. Generator started. Also, we can turn the lights. I'm using Rocco track. It's called with bed. So very nice rubber track bed. Using it for 20 years, really like it, so built in my layout. Okay, directions. Voltage 13.7 using Digitrack's new Zephyr system. Is this cool? On kind of semi-powered frog. So when LED is flickering, just move. Then the power pack is activated and sending extra power to the decoder. I'm getting fast and slowing down on that section. That's very complicated switch. Still no problem. Alrighty. That's a lot of fun. Thanks guys for watching, supporting business. You can support channel joining membership. Thanks again. Have a good one.